What was once a marshy, waterlogged area has today transformed into a serene, lush green wetland, largely due to the initiatives of Coromandel International Limited, a manufacturer of fertilizers at Kakinada in the East Godavari district of Andhrapradesh. Recognizing the wide range of important ecosystem services that the habitat of a wetland provides, CIL has dedicated an area of 1.2 square kilometers within its premises to create a near-natural nesting and breeding site for birds. The company began its conservation journey in 2011 with support from experts at the Agri Foundation. It gathered momentum following the cyclones in 2013 and 2014, when rescue and rehabilitation were provided to more than 700 birds.
పడిపోయిన పక్షిని తీసుకొచ్చి వాటికి కావాల్సిన మందులు EHC వారితో తెప్పించుకొని వాటికి యాంటీబయాటిక్ అన్ని అందించి ఫ్రాక్చర్ అయిన కాడ మేము కొట్లు కట్టి వాటిని ఒక 20 డేస్ ఒక గూళ్ళో పెట్టి దాన్ని పోషిస్తున్నామండి. 20 డేస్ తర్వాత అది బాగుంటే వాటిని వదిలేస్తామండి.
The bunding method was adopted, wherein shelters mimicking natural bird habitats were built. The Horticulture Department of CIL actively manages the nursery, plantation and regular care of the area.
ఈ హార్టికల్చర్ ప్లాంట్స్ కటింగ్స్ ఇవన్నీ డెవలప్ చేస్తుంటాం. ఆఫీసుల ముందు గ్రీన్ బెల్ట్ హార్టికల్చర్ డిపార్ట్మెంట్కి అంతా మేము ఎక్కడ కంపెనీలో ఎక్కడ కావాలన్నా ఇక్కడ నుంచి ఈ నర్సరీ నుంచి తీసుకెళ్ళి డెవలప్ చేస్తుంటాం. ఎక్కడ బయట కొనం ఉన్న మొక్కలను డెవలప్ చేస్తుంటాం. అంతమించిపోయిన జాతులను కూడా మళ్ళీ మేము ఎక్కువగా వాటిని డెవలప్ చేసి అవి అంతమించిపోకుండా చూస్తుంటాం.
Waterlogged resistant vegetation has enhanced the occurrence of fish and aquatic insects, thus providing the food necessary for the birds. Round-the-clock security has led to a stop in poaching activities for over 2 decades. The presence of both fresh and brackish water has made it an ideal roosting site for some key migratory birds from across the globe.
Around 95 different species of birds are identified at site. Out of that, 24 are migratory species, and 13 species are coming for the breeding and nesting.
The bird's paradise at Kakinada is the second largest breeding site for black-winged Asian openbill storks in the East Godavari district. Distinguished by its open bill, formed by a curved lower mandible, the Asian openbill generally visits around July for breeding. The season lasts for 6 months, when they roost in colonies in open nests built on top branches of trees. In a season, the female lays 2 to 5 eggs, which hatch in 30 days. The nestlings leave the nest after around 60 days post-hatching. The Biodiversity Management Committee, established under CIL, manages, monitors and evaluates the area. Regular training and awareness programs for local communities and for the CIL staff are conducted. Bird surveys and identification of bird species is undertaken at regular intervals. The efforts of CIL has led to the area being identified as a potential Other Effective Areas-Based Conservation Measure, or OECM, from India.
We also treat this biodiversity system and our ecosystem and our green belt as an assets to the Coromandel International Limited. Thereby, we want to expand this biodiversity, these low-lying ponds, to a little extent, and also maintain the manufacturing operations without having much disturbance on this. We want to do both, not only doing one at the cost of other.
The commitment of one company has helped create an ideal habitat for countless diverse species of birds, while greatly contributing to the biodiversity and conservation of the wetland ecosystem of Kakinada.